You guys, what is up? I have a really bright flashlight right now, so I'm trying to angle it away just enough because I know it's dark out. Yeah, that light is bright. Okay. Well, I'm sorry that I haven't been posting videos lately, but I mean, with Thanksgiving, and I mean, like, my camera's been, my iPod storage has been filling up. I've been trying to do, Shao hasn't been working at all. Man, I'm almost home. I'm gonna have to stop my recording. Well, yeah, I'm not really getting anything done. Plus, man, I actually have gotten pretty far in my Minecraft world. I'm actually figuring out what a nether reactor does. That's pretty cool. That's the only reason the nether bricks or glowstone even in Pocket Edition. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this flashlight is a beast. Look, you guys should, if any of you guys don't watch Proboscis or Sunday, I'm sure they're freaking OP. And I know that now because I watched Sunday. I didn't know that before I did. Okay, guess I'm gonna wrap up this video. See you dudes later. Like and subscribe. My Facebook, Patroneum Dorrington.